My name is Matt Mulder, and I got into real estate in 2006. And I went to Kalamazoo Christian. After going to Kalamazoo Christian, I graduated 2001. I pursued a career in aviation at Western Michigan, and in 2001, the aviation careers were not working out so well. So I pursued buying my first home in 2003 and bought my first investment home in 2005, and really decided at that point helping families buy and sell real estate in West Michigan was my passion in life. At that time, I decided to switch gears and pursue a career in real estate, and have been successfully selling real estate and helping families buy or sell homes since 2006. Since I've been in the business, I've been with a company called Keller Williams Real Estate, which is the largest #1 real estate company in the United States. And I've been really happy being affiliated with a company that is training and education based. So partnering up with Allen Edwin Homes seemed to make a lot of sense. As a new realtor in the business, my goal was to try to learn and educate myself on all of the inventory and options available for potential buyers out there in the market. And Allen Edwin was predominantly known in the areas I lived in and resided in, and oftentimes many of the communities that buyers were looking in were areas that I wanted to be more familiar with. So I ended up deciding to just want to learn more about their processes, their systems, more about their company, their customer service, and ultimately just know more about the options that we can offer to potential buyers here in real estate in West Michigan. We really like to offer our clients what we feel is the best product available. And really by partnering up with Allen Edwin, it's given our clients a leg up on others in the area to be able to get them into homes that they really didn't know they could either afford or live in, and really just open up options for families to be able to get into homes and communities that really fit and align up with their family and values. And that's what we're really excited with by being a partner of Allen Edwin. I think our clients have really geared towards Allen Edwin because they are in some of the best areas and locations in the area. And our clients are really big on wanting to be in well-known areas and our good school district, and they really want a good quality home. And I think at the end of the day, some of our clients now are on their 3rd or 4th Allen Edwin home build that they've done with them, and really knowing our clients are satisfied at the end is by far the most important thing, that they're happy. And we know that when we bring them in the door and they start the building process with Allen Edwin, we're very confident in the end that that customer is going to be 100% satisfied, and that's why we really enjoy it. I think the thing I love most about real estate, and really especially about the communities and areas that we're in right now, is really just having the opportunity to help families buy or sell a home in West Michigan and in our area. Most people don't realize that they can buy a brand new home, and through that we're able to just extend that and get them into homes and places that they really didn't think that they might have as an option for their own family. And that's what we really love about real estate, is just being able to pour back in the community, be able to give back, and really be able to be an extension for the families out there and help them buy their dream home and get them situated. I think our business is really quite different than the average person. And the primary thing we really do is strive to make sure that our customers are 100% satisfied throughout the process. And I think that's really important, that our customers are very well communicated with, they understand the process, they know what the next steps are. And our goal is that when they go to buy a new home, that they understand everything, what's going on, each step that's necessary to make the next step happen, and really just make sure that the client at the end is 100% satisfied. Allen Edwin, without a doubt, saves us a lot of time by giving our clients an option that is an option that fits a lot of families' needs. So throughout this process, instead of showing 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 homes that does not fit what their family needs, or it's a home that needs a lot of work, or they have to put money into it, they can get something brand new at the same price and not have to worry about a thing. Allen Edwin has really helped grow our business by, again, just really helping our clients have an option that they really didn't know possibly existed for them and their family. So many families did not realize that they could afford to buy or build a brand new home. All they really had to do is just pick up the phone to get started. So with Allen Edwin, the only thing they need to do to get started, just to register, they can call, they can text, they can send an email, even an Instagram or a Facebook notification over to us, and we'll make sure they're registered so that we can pick up the phone, give them a call, and get started today.